everyone, and welcome to Dental Diaries.
Hello again, my name is Mira.
And I'm Miranda, and today we're going to be covering Invisalign, the invisible journey.
The term Invisalign came to the dental world not long ago, but the success of this procedure took a tremendous turn.
Clear aligners have become a popular option to treat crooked teeth and most types of malocclusion. A malocclusion happens when a mismatched tooth and jaw cause a person to have a bad bite.
I started my journey with Invisalign a year ago, and every time I put a new tray in my mouth, I see brighter, straighter, and happier smile in the mirror. Also, most important, I see confidence. So let's discuss what you need to know before you start your invisible journey.
Let's talk more about how it works. So we're all used to the term braces, and it's one of the most classic options to straighten your teeth. But with advanced computer technologies these days, technicians are able to create a 3D model of your mouth from a scan, x-rays, and photos.
It's so incredible to watch how doctors move each individual tooth into place directly on the 3D model using special software. Invisalign then produces a series of aligners based on the doctor's prescription.
With each set of aligners, your teeth move incrementally to their prescribed position. You will have to switch to a new aligner every week or two depending on the doctor recommendation.
A great feature of Invisalign aligners is that they are removable, smooth, flexible plastic. You can almost forget sometimes that you have it in your mouth. It's super comfortable. And the best thing, they are invisible. So if it's your first date or a big event, no one will ever notice that you're wearing the aligners.
You may be curious how long it takes to finish a whole treatment.
It depends on how badly crowded your teeth are and how complicated the malocclusion is.
We have a few patients that have completed their treatment in 6 months. Some need more than a year. There are multiple factors that affect this process. You can always call our office if you have any questions. Consultation is free, and you can ask our doctor how to get a perfect smile.
Well, now you probably think, oh wow, it sounds like so ideal and easy. Few months and you get the perfect smile. You most likely will get your perfect smile, but before you start the treatment, you need to know a few ups and downs of this journey. First and most important, aligners must stay in your mouth for at least 22 hours. Compliance is the #1 rule.
Yes, 22 hours a day is pretty ambitious, and you take them out only to eat and drink.
Speaking of which, eating habits will slightly change. Good news for those who are trying to lose weight. Snacking will decrease, and you will definitely rely a lot more on soft and liquid foods.
You have to keep in mind that oral hygiene needs to be improved. You need to brush and floss your teeth after each meal before you put your trays back in. Your toothbrush, floss, and extra tray for your aligners will be your very close friends during the journey. Anywhere you go, make sure you have it with you. It's a lot of work, and you must be very patient and follow the directions of that Invisalign road, but the benefits do outweigh all of the rules and restrictions. It's absolutely worth it.
I totally agree with you. We see happy patients year after year once they finish their treatment. Also know, the straighter your teeth are, the less chances of getting a cavity. Properly positioned teeth are easier to brush and floss than the teeth that are crowded or crooked or spaced too far apart.
Crooked or misaligned teeth can increase the risk of plaque retention, tooth decay, or periodontal disease. This can give way to cavities and gingivitis as well.
So it's not only about the aesthetic benefits. You also take care of your teeth health as well.
Don't forget though, not every patient is a candidate for Invisalign. Evaluate all the pros and cons with your doctor and decide for yourself if it is a compatible procedure for you. Ask your dentist questions. Don't be afraid.
If you find it too complicated and you have no patience at all for Invisalign, or you need immediate makeover of your teeth, ask your dentist. There are other options to change and correct the smile.
And if you follow us on our next episode, we will be talking about the alternative procedures that can change your smile and perhaps a lifestyle.
We'll see you next time.